Cue the future, where artificial intelligence redefines the game. In the spotlight today, we have 5 trending AI tools that are turning heads. First up, OpenAI's GPT-3. This language prediction model is revolutionizing how we interact with machines, transforming them into our very own digital concierges. Next, TensorFlow. Google's open-source library is a dream for machine learning enthusiasts, offering a playground for creating and training AI models. Third in line, H2O AI. This automated machine learning platform is the go-to tool for data scientists looking to streamline their workflow. Coming in fourth, IBM Watson. This AI suite is transforming industries from healthcare to finance, with its powerful cognitive computing capabilities. Last but not least, Azure Machine Learning. Microsoft's cloud-based service is making machine learning accessible to all, proving that the future of AI is indeed now. Stay tuned for more tech revelations as we continue to ride the wave of AI innovation. Remember, the future is not tomorrow, it's today.